Alrighty guys, it's been a little while since I did a video, just because it's starting to get warmer out. This is our case Backhoe we got here, and we'll cold start it. It's been about four weeks just sitting here. I mean, it's been cold. It gets really cold at night still, and now it's probably about 40 out, but it gets down in the 20s at night still. But yeah, I hope she'll start. I mean, I haven't started in a while, make sure the batteries aren't dead. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm positive she'll start. Sometimes it's a cranking feast. It is a diesel. Sometimes it's a cranking feast, but most of the time it just starts right up. It's warm in here. I wonder why. So we'll see what we got here. The heat. She's got focus. If you can see that or not. There. 3,600 hours on it. 41. Alright. Batteries. Well, we're looking low. Oh god. Yeah, they look low. Alright. We'll find out. Here we go. There's the... Oh, never mind. Oh jeez. Come on. Oh jeez. Okay. Come on. Chooch. Freaking chooch, guys. Why? Oh boy, this is not good. Come on, girl. Oh man. There she goes. Wow, that's actually the worst this thing's ever started before. Holy crap. It's never been this bad before in its life. The gas is full. Idling ride. Alright. There you have it. That was cool start finish. Could have been bad. This thing won't start. We need this thing for out here. Oh, we'll find out though. Four-wheel drive. We'll see. Alright, see you later.